Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Fonts tracking in website embed easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Google Fonts tracking on your website, start by accessing your website's code. Locate the section where Google Fonts are embedded. This is usually found in the head section of your HTML file. You might see a link tag that looks like this. Link ref equals https://fonts.googleapis.com/css family equals font name. To disable tracking, you need to modify this link. Add and display equals swap at the end of the URL, making it look like this. Link ref equals https://fonts.googleapis.com/css family equals font name and display equals swap rel equals style sheet. This change helps reduce the number of requests sent back to Google. Next, consider self-hosting the fonts for added privacy. To do this, download the font files you need. You can find font files in formats like .ttf, .waf, or .waf2. Once downloaded, upload them to your website server. After uploading, use CSS at font face to define the font in your style sheet. Your CSS code should look something like this: at font face, font family, font name, src URL, path/to/font.waf2, format, waf2. Make sure you replace path/to/font.waf2 with the actual path to your uploaded font file. Now, update your CSS to use the self-hosted font. Change any instances of font family, font name, to point to your new font source. This method not only enhances privacy but can also improve loading speed. Next, clear your browser cache and refresh your website to see the changes. If all went well, your website should now be using the self-hosted fonts without Google tracking. Check the console for any errors to ensure everything is working correctly. You have successfully disabled Google Fonts tracking on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.